Hello and welcome to this introductory session to the course Introduction to Film Studies. I'm Juhi Prasad. I'm an assistant professor in the School of Media and Communication Studies in Doon University, Dehradun. I'm also the course coordinator for this course. Joining me through this course will be Mr. Suvats Awasthi, a scholar of film studies. Today, I'll be giving you a brief idea as to what this course entails. Before we begin, I want to tell you that the coming 10 weeks are going to be a joyous journey of discovery and knowledge as together we explore the grand old, ever-evolving and complex yet mesmerizing world of cinema. First, who is this course meant for? I would say anyone who has a love for cinema. So if you are the kind of person who has ever sat and wondered, why is it that a film or a particular scene has left this everlasting mark on me? Or if you're the kind of person who would want to learn to appreciate cinema for the art that it is, then you're at the right place. This course is available as a 4-credit discipline elective course as per the UGC CBCS curriculum for BA Honours Journalism in its 6th semester. You can earn these 4 credits upon course completion, which includes assignments, quizzes, and a final exam. Now, talking about what this course has, like what all this course is all about. So the course is divided into 5 units, and each unit consists of various video lectures which are supplemented by some reading material. And in these video lectures, we will be discussing some topics which will be related to the main topic that has been assigned to a particular unit. Now let us look at what these units are. So unit number 1. Unit number 1 is called Language of Cinema. This is where we will discuss the various elements that form a part of filmmaking. So we will be talking about the visual language of cinema. We will also discuss the advent and the use of sound as well as music in films. We'll also trace the history of cinema and try to understand how is it that this world of cinema came to be. Next, we have unit number 2. This is called Social Context and Film Forms. Here, we'll be looking at various film movements that have shaped cinema as we know it today. Just to give you a brief idea, we will be talking about the Italian Neorealism. We will also talk about German Expressionism, the French New Wave, as well as the cinema known as Third Cinema. Next, we have unit number 3. This is called Alternative Visions. Now, this is an interesting unit because here we will deliberate on the various theories that have been used over the decades to study and to critique cinema. So the theories that we will be talking about are auteur theory, feminist film theory, as well as queer theory. We'll also talk about the classification of films on the basis of genre. With unit number 4, we will take a dive into the world of Hindi cinema. So we will discuss cinema right from its very inception. So we'll talk about silent era and then move on to talking about the studio era. We'll also study post-independence cinema and understand how is it that the concept of nation and nation building takes center stage in the films that are made during that time. Later, we will talk about the Indian New Wave, which gave rise to parallel cinema or art cinema as we know it. Lastly, we will talk about globalization and the kind of impact that has had on Indian cinema. Finally, we have unit number 5 called Film Culture. Here, we will discuss topics like film criticism, film censorship, cinephilia, as well as filmmaking as a practice. So this has been a brief overview as to what is to come in the coming weeks. I hope you now have a better idea of what to expect. I wish you all the very, very best. Thank you very much.